There are so many misunderstandings about science. One of them being that it's a synonym for knowledge, that knowing that the Earth orbits the Sun is science, rather than knowing how you derive that answer from observation and experiment. We've become a bit blasé about this and asking the public just to trust the conclusions that we come to instead of involving them in the process. And the thing is, the process is sometimes the most interesting part and really gives insight into how we come to those conclusions. In no other field do we actively try and prove ourselves and others wrong quite so readily, and peer test to make sure that what we do is as right as it can be. Yet a lot of people just think that a theory is like just a guess, and we have a chance to change that. Show why we know the things we do about climate change, about nature and the universe, involve them in the process and change the narrative. I think people react differently when they know why something is true as opposed to just knowing that it is true. I mean, we all know someone who leaves their phone on during a flight, and imagine that they not only told you to turn your phone onto flight mode, but it's because it can interfere with instruments on takeoff and landing. Maybe we just get more people turning them off. It'll also break down those barriers of there's a type of scientist. We need people to see that there's different genders, ethnicity, ages and aptitudes that can all play a part in the scientific process. And the more we see all scientists out there, the likelier we are to inspire a diverse generation of scientists following in our footsteps or even blazing their own trail. There's never been a better time to share your science, whether it's on social media, with friends and family, with your peers, or even just for fun. There's also never been a better time to film your science. Cameras now are better than ever, and the best one is always the one you go with you when you're trying to film that piece to camera or shoot some footage of your subject in the field. We just need to make sure that we film it with purpose.